Hey guys, welcome back to the series of Django. As we are doing the hospital management system using the Django framework, we have done viewing the appointment and adding the prescription to the patient by the doctor. In this tutorial, we are going to do appointment deletion by the patient and also the pages required for the receptionist. So let's get started. Alright, this is our template and here we have only the delete button to delete this appointment. There is no form to submit the data and perform the action. So for the deletion of the appointment, first we need to write the view. So open the views.py file. So here I'll say def space patient underscore delete underscore appointment of request. And now we need to delete the appointment. But which appointment we need to delete? We need a reference to delete the appointment, right? So the reference will be the ID of the appointment. So the ID of the appointment will be an argument for this method. So I'll say the argument as AID. And now we need to delete the appointment based on the AID. So first we need to get the appointment. So for that I'll say appointment is equal to appointment dot objects dot get of ID is equal to AID. So we got the appointment and now I need to delete this. So for that I'll say appointment dot delete. After deletion, we need to again redirect to the view appointments page. So for that I'll say return space redirect of view appointments. So here we have given AID as the argument, but we need to send the data to the argument, right? So let me add the path for this view. I'll go to the urls.py file and here path of patient delete appointment. So in Django we have an option to send the data with the URL. That means we can send the ID of appointment from the template through the URL to the view. So for that I'll say less than int colon AID. So this AID is given as the argument for the view method name, that will be patient underscore delete underscore appointment, comma name is equal to patient underscore delete underscore appointment. So we have added the URL for the view. So I'll copy this URL name and open patient view appointments template. Here in the href we need to give the name of the URL. So I'll say braces mod space URL space the name of the path. With this we also need to send the ID of the appointment, that will be i.id. So save this file and check whether the appointment is getting deleted or not. For that open your project. Now log in with the patient. So now make a new appointment. So the appointment is done. Open the view appointments page and you can see the appointment here. Open the appointment and click on delete. And yes, the appointment is deleted. So now let's go to the pages of receptionists. Till now we have not created a model to save the details of the receptionist. So let's first create the models for the receptionist. For that open the models.py file. Now I'll create a class for the receptionist. Class space receptionist of models.model. So I'll get the details as name is equal to models.char field of max underscore length is equal to 50. And next I'll say email is equal to models.email field of unique is equal to true, and gender is equal to models.char field of max underscore length is equal to 10, and phone number is equal to models dot char field of max underscore length is equal to 10. Address is equal to models dot char field of max underscore length is equal to 200. Birth rate is equal to models dot date field. Blood group is equal to models dot char field of max underscore length is equal to 5. So now I'll create a method that is def underscore underscore str underscore underscore of self. Here I'll say return self dot name. So save this file, and now we need to migrate the model. So for that, open the command prompt. So our server is still running. So end the server. Now I'll say python manage.py make migrations. And next I'll say python manage.py migrate. So our model is migrated, and now we need to register this model. So for that, open the admin.py file, and here I'll add the receptionist model. For that, I'll say admin.site.register of receptionist. So I'll create a new receptionist from the admin panel in both reception model as well as the user model. So I'll quickly create and come back. So I have created a reception through the admin panel, and now we need to create a home page, profile page and view appointment page. But for the view appointment page for the receptionist, he or she can view all the appointments irrespective of the doctor or the patient. So let's first make the login page for the receptionist. So open the views.py file. In the login page method, we already have the conditions for the doctor and the patient. Now we need to have same for the receptionist. So here I'll simply copy above condition and change the names. That is, the name will be receptionist and the template name will be reception home. So in the reception home.html, I need to check the error. So for that, instead of typing all these things, I'll go to the patient home.html and copy them and paste them here. So save this file. So the login is done, and now we need to do the home page. So open the views.py file. In the home method, I'll simply copy this and paste that below and change the group as receptionist. Also the template name to reception home. Here I'll change these to elif because both the conditions are if, right? So I have changed these to elif. So we have done the login and the home page. And next we need to view the profile page for the receptionist. So in the profile method, I'll copy the above one and paste them below. I'll change the group name to receptionist. Also, I'll change the variable to reception underscore details and the model name to receptionist, and also the dictionary as reception underscore details, and the value also will be reception underscore details, and the template name to reception profile. So we are sending this receptionist details to the template. We need to view them there. So open the template. I need to view the data from the dictionary. So for that, I'll open the loop. I'll say braces mod space for I in reception underscore details, and I'll close this for loop after the form completes. That is braces mod space end for. To display the value, in the tags we need to say value is equal to double braces of I dot name, and for the email I'll say value is equal to double braces of I dot email, and for the gender it will be double braces of I dot gender. For the phone number it will be I dot phone number. For the address it will be double braces of I dot address. For the birth date it will be double braces of I dot birth date, and the last one is blood group. For that value is equal to double braces of I dot blood group. So save this file, and the next one is view appointments to the receptionist. As we have discussed before, the appointments viewed in the receptionist page are irrespective of the doctor or the patient. So we do not need to filter them with the email of the user. So I'll copy the patient condition and paste it and change the group name to receptionist. In the filter, I'll remove the email in both upcoming and previous appointments, and I'll change the template name to reception view appointments. So we need to change this template. Instead typing all these, I'll open the patient view appointments template and I'll simply copy them and paste them in the reception view appointments. And I'll remove these buttons because receptionist cannot make any operations with the appointments. So now we need to add all the URLs in the template to navigate to these pages. So I'll quickly change the navigation bar and come back. So I have changed the navigation bar. So let's open our project and check whether all the operations of the receptionist are working good. So open your project, log into the receptionist account. So you can view the profile of the receptionist and the view appointments page and the logout. So everything is working good. That's it for now. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications from my channel. Thanks for watching.